Hello, I'm happy that I am the one who can introduce you our new product portfolio, which we have for flat roofs. We know that daylight is an essential part of any type of an architecture. Therefore, we, as an architect, really have to be clever how we deliver the daylight to the rooms. The facade window will never provide that enough of the daylight as any of the roof openings, because the top light is much more stronger. We can prove that also via calculations, which you can see now on the picture, that within the same room, the same size of the facade window and roof light, you can see the huge difference of the daylight factor provided by those two different roof and facade openings. We saw calculation, but what does it mean for a real apartment? We really need to focus in a real apartment to the works we need to do for the dining, cutting, eating, reading. We need to provide the daylight to the place where we are using the daylight. We need to focus really on these special places. But not only the daylight, but also fresh air is important. And if we are using this opening of the roof for ventilation, the stack effect helps us to be 3 times more quicker within the air exchange. And of course, we can enlarge the space via this view out to the sky or to the surroundings. And now is the time to show why we are here, what we are going to present you. We would like to present you our new generation of glass roof lights, which is the Red Dot winner of the 2021 with a category of product design. You can see it's really minimalist, glass-to-edge design and very beautiful product. This product was made to deliver the maximum of daylight. You can clearly see how we enlarge the glazed area, and now we are able to deliver 56% of daylight more to the room than with the previous generation. Not only daylight, but also this really state-of-art design is provided with this product. You can see that from interior, but also from the exterior, is really aesthetical. This all these hidden blinds and accessories also help us to provide really minimalistic design for your project. Design is not everything what is necessary for the building. We also produce really superb indoor comfort. And this is not only the energy performance of those products, but also excellent sound reduction, which those products has. And all of our vented products, but also the accessories, can be automated to create perfect indoor climate in your projects. So, how we did it? We made one small change. We changed everything. You see, we have new glass-to-edge top unit. We have invisible, really thin glass fiber sash. We have polyurethane frame with the wooden core. We have special thermotechnology with a hidden silent motor. We have all the accessories which helps us the installation make much more easy. And also we have indoor glass units which we can offer in double but also in triple glazing. And all the profiles are really designed for this minimalistic approach. So, beautiful product which complete our flat roof window portfolio. I would like to very quickly go through the portfolio to show you that we have products for any type of your projects. We are starting with the basic dome, which has to be used for the uninhabited buildings, for light commercial. We are coming through dome with glazing, which is the product which you already know and we had in our product portfolio before. And we have two newcomers, this design, new generation flat or curved glass roof lights. Coming closer to those projects and starting with the basic dome. Basic dome we are offering with fixed base unit or vented base unit, and on the top of this base unit is used opaque surface, opaque dome, which can be double or triple skins. And you can see that we are offering really wide scale of the sizes, coming from 60 to 60 to 2 meters to 1 meter. This is the standard product, and within this standard product we do not offer any of the accessories or blinds or shutters. If we come to the little bit higher category, we are coming to the dome with glazing. This product, again, sustained from vented or fixed base unit, which are made from PVC, and you can choose from opaque or clean dome. The base units is provided with double glazing. As this product is used to be used in residential or office buildings, here we are offering some heat protection and daylight control accessories. We are talking about anti-heat blind, but also blackout blind or semi-soft lighting blind, which can produce some diffuse light to the building. As this product has to be used in residential offices, schools, we need to provide sun protection, but also daylight control. Therefore, we offer anti-heat blind, blackout blind, but also soft lighting blind. All these blinds is remotely operated, and all of them together with this vented base unit, you can include to VELUX Active or app control or any of the type of the smart home systems. Here, I would like to show you really great example of usage of this product on this sports hall, which is located in Austria, and force your attention for this suspended ceiling, which makes really piece of art. for that building. And now we are coming to our newcomers, our new product portfolio. And we have here this red dot design winner, flat glass roof light. Here we can see that the product has this maximum daylight area, excellent energy performance with the U value like 0.6, really great design and excellent sound reduction on the level of 39 decibels. Also here the system works that we have two bases, vented base and fixed base, and this flat glass top. Within that, we can offer 2 or 3 layer glazing units. Here I will a little bit force your attention also for the sizes, because even when it's glazed unit, we can offer the size up to 200 to 1 meter, which will be available on our markets from September. With the curved glass roof light, the only change is the change of the curved glass top, which allows us to use the product even from the zero angle and also improve the technical values of the product. The U value can, with the triple layer base unit, come up to 0.55 and also decibels can rise up to 42 decibels for that variant. What is really great, what we can see here, that we have really product for design spaces, designed houses, and also these products are provided with the accessories. We are talking about solar on-link blind for heat reduction. We have also the solar blackout blind, and within that generation we are coming also with the insect screen for the flat roofs. And on the picture you can see where is the blind used or fixed in the sash, and that it doesn't cover even small part of the glazed area. And again here, all the accessories, all the vented base units can be operated by VELUX Active or Up Control. On these examples, I would like to highlight the position of glass roof lights, which really effectively touch the working area in the kitchen, and really allows us to have the daylight on the places where it's needed. And also show the situation when we can combine those roof lights one next to each other. And talking about the installation is very important part with the satisfaction with the product as it is. And we serve quite a loads of accessories to ensure the easy and safe installation of our products to the flat roofs. Within the construction, when the isolation is above the bearing construction, we are offering extension frames where we can go even up to 70 centimeters to lift up the product above this isolation part. We are offering securing kits to secure the roofing felt to fit to the product. And very important part is system vapor barrier, which is concretely designed for each product and secure the perfect installation. And we have also the system lining, which you can use in your projects. And beautiful example of minimalist architecture by Yuri Troy, where the product is used in the bath, and you can really see how this designed product fit to this minimalist architecture. Not only the standard products, but also special functions has to be sometimes included in the projects. We are talking about the roof exits. We are talking about smoke ventilation systems, but we are also talking about sun tunnels. All the overview of these special functions you will find on our web pages. even we are talking about this really like technical product as a smoke ventilation is, you can clearly see here that the daylight delivery and usage of this product can also be the design part of this, like corridors, for example, as this hotel on the seaside. So if I would like to make very quick product portfolio summary of technical values, as you already heard, we are starting with the basic dome, which is starting on the U value on the level of 2.2. We are running through our portfolio up to 0.55, which is really like outstanding value for this product category. And also the decibels, which we can provide starting on a reduction on the level of 22 decibels and running even up to 42. Then you can really easy choose the type of the product which fits to the type of your project. Overview of sizes also gives you an idea that we offer the system sizes starting from 60 to 60, but ending up with the 2 meters to 1 meter, which is really providing great daylight solutions for your projects. This is probably not totally typical family house, as you see. But what I would like to highlight here is the open ceiling and really the daylight delivery to the dining area, that we really hit the needed spaces by the top light. If I would like to sum up, if we are talking about family houses, where our products usually end up. Usually we use the top light in the kitchen. We are using the top light in corridors. And we are using top light in bathrooms. And talking about daylight and daylight design, sometimes we need some tools. Tools which will help us to make the design better. And here we are offering the tool, which is possible to download for free from our web pages. And the tool is called Daylight Visualizer. And Daylight Visualizer offers us to use loads of different outcomes. One of this can be this sunlight animation with the really great 3D visualization of your space. And you can really see how the light can come into the depth of the building. But not only funny videos is produced by this program, but also you can approve your project via simulation of the daylight factor. And you will easily evaluate the match of your project with the daylight standard, which is valid in all European countries. Here you can see the example how the daylight analysis was done, like with the original design and with the final design. And you see that this top roof lights really deliver enough daylight to fulfill the standard need of the daylight factor. And in reality, also the artistic part of that has to be considered, that with the play of the light and of the roof and facade openings, you can really provide enough of the design for the roof. So, more or less at the end of the first part of our presentation for today, I would like to highlight our digital tools, which we are offering. As was mentioned, the Daylight Visualizer. We also offer the Energy and Indoor Climate Visualizer, which is a tool which helps us to create the good indoor climate. And you can calculate how much energy you save for the cooling if you are using external shadings, for example, and so on. And all the products I showed you today, you can download as a BIM object or 2D drawing for your project. And now I'm making small spoiler. I would like to switch to my colleague to the workroom, and here you will see our products we talked about in real life, and he will talk a little bit more about the installation, but also about the home automation. Thank you for listening.
Welcome in the training room. You heard a lot about product itself and the product design. And from my position, I would like to tell you something about the installation of the product and what you need to know about using the product on your projects. Normally, you have two different types of flat roof construction. One with a bearing construction on the top and insulation below. Then you can use product itself without anything else. On the second type of construction, you have insulation above the bearing system. So for the installation of the flat roof, you will need the extension frame. You can use the basic one, as you can see, plus up to 3 extensions on it. For the right installation, you need to know how to make a hole in the construction. The right hole is plus 1 centimeter on each side compared to the size of the flat roof. You can find everything on the installation instructions. Flat roof window is ready to install in any kind of roofing materials, especially for PVC and another foils, what you can tape directly on the side of the flat roof. You can see two different types of flat roof windows. One is fixed without possibility to ventilate. The second one is ventilated by the motor. You can operate it by the remote control, which is included in the box together with the flat roof window. Or you can use your smartphone and use the application VELUX Active for operate. For the ventilated flat roof windows, you just need a 3 wires power supply cable, 230 volts. That's all. All ventilated flat roof windows are from the production equipped by the rain sensor. All ventilated flat roof windows is possible to connect to any smart home control systems. Only one thing you need is interface KLF. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching. I would like to see you again.